Is Tella not recording properly for you? Maybe it's not capturing your screen, no sound, or just glitching out. Yeah, that can be super frustrating, but don't worry. Here are the fastest ways to fix it. First, make sure you're recording the correct screen or window. Sometimes Tella picks the wrong one, especially on the first recording. If there's no sound, check your mic. Make sure it's connected, selected, and not muted. Next, just refresh the page or restart your browser. Yeah, simple. But it fixes a lot of recording glitches. Tella uploads while recording, so if your internet is slow or unstable, your video might lag, freeze, or fail. If things still aren't working, clear your browser cache or try a different browser like Chrome. Some extensions can block recording, so yeah, try disabling them or use incognito mode. If your video has corrupted or missing parts, you may need to re-record those sections. It happens sometimes, and if nothing works, check if Tella is having server issues. Sometimes it's not your fault. So yeah, those are the most common fixes if Tella isn't recording properly. Try these one by one, and you should be back up and recording in no time.